Thanks for checking out my video. I'm using my new Lenovo Tab 4 to operate my DJI Mavic Pro 2. So I did this because I had a Note 9, but sometimes it's difficult to see what the camera can see on the drone with a little, phone compared to a big tablet. So I connected this using a micro USB and a micro USB to USB-A female connector, and because the cable that comes with the remote is a shorter cable because it's designed to use with your phone. Got that little adapter to hold the tablet from Best Buy for $45. Pretty nice. It acts a little unstable. I wouldn't recommend walking with it. But and at first I connected it before turning on the app, and then I had to unplug the micro USB and then plug it back in, and then the app connected fine. It worked fine. So I'm gonna fly this a little bit. This is kind of a continuation from my video I did the other day where I was trying to fly around the house and see what I could see, because it's kind of close quarters. If you check out that video, it's kind of neat. But at least this one I can see better and more things, so I could zero in on some things. I did speed up the flying video 3 times the regular speed. So I hope you enjoyed the music, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. So I just completed my first flight with my tablet on my DJI Mavic Pro 2, and it was pretty cool. I noticed the image wasn't exactly clear as it was traveling, but I did make an adjustment in the settings afterwards to knock it down to regular instead of HD. I don't need the highest image transmitted to my tablet. I just need it to be big enough that I can see where I'm flying to, in case, you know, there happens to be a gator there and I just completely missed it because I couldn't see it on my little phone. A little phone that's almost 6 inches big, but obviously it's not 10 inches big like this tablet. Let's see, takeaways. The mount did move a little bit. You definitely don't want to be walking with this setup. I might see if I can set up the cable a little closer. It really wasn't that big a deal because it's not like I'm walking with the setup. Overall, it wasn't bad. I really didn't feel like the tablet was going to move anywhere. It's pretty stable. So I think this is a good setup. And I would highly recommend this if you were, if you had a DJI Mavic Air, Pro, Pro 2, Zoom, whatever, because this way you'd really be able to see where you're flying to a lot better than just on your phone.